everyone, today we're diving into one of the most unique blockchain ecosystems out there, MetaHome, a platform combining human connection, technology, culture, and real digital rewards. Stick around because I'll break down what MetaHome really is, how MetaCoin works, the rewards, the vision, and why people are excited about this project. Just a quick reminder, crypto trading involves risks. This video is for educational purposes only and not a financial advice. Always trade responsibly and only invest what you can afford to lose. MetaHome is described as the world of genuine human tea, where bio tea and info tea meet. Sounds deep, right? But here's what it means in simple terms. MetaHome is a digital world created for one purpose: to build a healthy, ideal, reward-driven ecosystem for everyone. Inside MetaHome, you communicate across time and space, you connect with people globally, you contribute to the platform's growth, and yes, you get rewarded for it. It's basically a digital home where you are not just a user, you're a builder, a contributor, and an owner. MetaHome isn't just another blockchain project. It's built on a cultural and philosophical foundation. The MetaHome logo is inspired by the jangu, a traditional Korean instrument shaped like an hourglass. It produces sound in both directions, symbolizing the harmony between East and West. That's why the ecosystem focuses on people, your empathy, your contribution, your impact. Now let's talk about MetaCoin, the fuel of MetaHome. It has 210 billion meta supply, 21 billion meta mining limit, $1.23 million market cap, and 64.43 thousand in liquidity. MetaCoin is different from your typical cryptocurrencies. It believes a coin should gain value from real contribution, not hype. Here's where things get exciting. MetaCoin is designed to reward you for supporting the ecosystem. You earn MetaCoins by bringing new users, being active, helping the ecosystem grow. It's a contribution economy to your income. And what you can do with MetaCoins: use inside the MetaHome platform, use with partnered stores, hold as long-term value, and trade as a digital asset. The ultimate goal: every person in the world owning at least one MetaCoin, a global digital asset for everyone. Most digital currencies only convert banknotes into digital form, but MetaHome asks a powerful question. What's the real difference if there's no added value? MetaCoin is built on growth, utility, and reward. That's what separates it from the thousands of coins launched every day. If you want to explore MetaHome, here are the official links so you stay safe and informed. Visit their website, metacoin.im. Do check them out also in their CoinMarketCap listing, MetaHome ETH, and other socials like Twitter or X. Join the community to stay updated on events, mining, rewards, and new features. So what is MetaHome really trying to build? A world everyone is rewarded, everyone participates, everyone owns a piece of the ecosystem, culture and technology work together, and for crypto to actually serve a purpose. MetaHome wants to prove that blockchain isn't just about money, it's about people. MetaHome is defining how digital ecosystems reward their users. Whether you're an investor, a crypto enthusiast, or someone who loves innovation, this is a project worth watching. This is only the beginning. If you want to be part of the digital world where your effort truly matters, MetaHome might just be your new home. If this one interests you, do click that like and subscribe button and follow us for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.